Hello students, welcome to color matching. I'm assembling my presentation. Here's my background picture, and let's go ahead and get started. These are the swatches that we painted during class or that we cut out, and we're going to go through. And what I'm doing here is just using some artist tape. So I get myself a nice big piece of that, and I'm just going to tear it up into smaller pieces, and then I can roll that over, feed it together, and then stick it to the back of my little cutout bat shapes. So I went a little bit smaller still. In an ideal world, these bat shapes would be, probably a little bit bigger than they are. Then they could go on here and not have to worry about tiny pieces of tape all the time. So there's my first one. Grab the other swatch. So one is the one that I painted. The other one is the one I cut out from the original swatch card from the store. So with the bat shapes, I thought, a full moon might be fun. So I'm tearing up those little pieces of tape, sticking them on the back sides of each of these little bats. Got to fold it and roll over the tape so that it's connecting to itself. Kind of turns it into a little piece of like double-sided tape. Stick that on the back there. And then I can take my bat and stick it onto the presentation. So the beauty of this style with the artist tape is I can pick these up and move them if I need to move them later. And I think I do go through and try to do that. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit and, go through, do a few more. Then we're going to really speed it up. I did a time lapse after I got the first 3 or 4 done. So I've converted to very small pieces of tape because they're very small swatches. Ideally, yours are somewhere around 1 inch. So here we go. Time lapse. This is going to go a lot faster. We're just sticking them in different places. They're always kind of close to each other, not on top of each other, different spaces. Here is the example from another semester. And here's our final, or at least where it is right now. So hopefully that helps you kind of put yours together.